Hello and welcome to the very first episode of Merry Thanksgiving Christmas. In this series, you're going to see a variety of recipes that are perfect for the holidays. So subscribe, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming episodes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. We're making candy yams, cinnamon. I'm going to first wash and peel these. I've already cut the tips off. I don't know why I never invested in a peeling device. So I'm going to use a knife. Alright, so you want to do the same thing for the rest of your yams or your sweet potatoes. Moving on. So now that I have my sweet potatoes peeled, I'm going to go ahead and cut these into squares. You can cut them however you want. I prefer squares. You can do them, circles, however you prefer to have them. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut mine in squares. So I like to put a little bit of butter in the bottom of the pan. Don't need a lot. Next, I'm going to put my sweet potatoes in the pan. So next we're going to make our candy yam sauce. So I have a medium saucepan here and I have it on medium heat. It's like a little bit medium high heat. And I'm adding in 1 stick of butter. This is salted, but you can use unsalted if you prefer. So I got some brown sugar, some white sugar, adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, white sugar, and my spices. To mix that all up. So I added some water and all the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box below. Let's mix that up. Smells really nice. So I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm going to go ahead and pour our candy yam sauce, sweet potato sauce, yam sauce, whatever you want to call it, over top of our yams. Just going straight across so I can get all of them covered. So now I'm going to take aluminum foil. I'm taking aluminum foil, I'm going to cover the pan. place in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. So our yams are done. I'm going to go ahead and pull them out the oven, remove the foil, and then check to see if they're tender, and then put them back in after I move them around a little bit. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm mixing these around, and I'm going to put these back in the oven for an additional 20 minutes, uncovered. Just let them cook a little bit longer. Alright, so our yams are all done. I left these in the oven for 30 minutes covered, and then 35 minutes uncovered. So they're nice and tender now. They're done. Alright, so here are our candied yams. They're nice and tender. They were left in for a good amount of time. So I'm going to cut into one so you guys can see how soft they are. Just perfect. So that completes this first episode. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notifications bell.